If you're trying to find the best Bluehost discount coupon, you might be confused by all the different prices you see on the various homepages. Clicking on the link does two things. One, it gives me credit for showing you this deal, which is awesome. Thanks so much. But it also, more importantly, makes sure you get to the right screen at Bluehost. Some of those other screens have what's called a cookie embedded in them, which makes the discount different and worse for you. So this is just a default screen at Bluehost that you want to be at. So all we're going to do is click Get Started and proceed like you normally would. We're going to choose Basic, click Select. You're going to pop in a new domain name here. Choose your extension, .com is best, and click Next. Or you can use a domain you own. Okay, now you're just going to go down and fill out your account information. It's 100% secure at Bluehost, just like where you would buy anything online. Okay, so the beauty of it comes when we're looking at package information, and this goes so quick that a lot of people miss it, but I'm going to make sure you get the discount here. So just click on this drop-down arrow and change the selection to 12 month, for example. And then scroll down as if you're about to continue with your order, but you decide maybe you're going to do it later. Move your mouse to the upper corner and act like you're going to X out, and you'll see the special sign-up offer pop up for you, which is exactly what we wanted and what we saw at the beginning of the video. Perfect, they even kept the same models. So what we're going to do, of course, is click Claim Savings, and you should see your price decrease. Remember to get that account info in there. So perfect, now you get 36-month price of $2.65 a month, which is amazing. That's like less than the cost of your average trip to Starbucks for amazing hosting that'll put you on the same playing field and let you install a WordPress website or blog with amazing free themes and plugins, just like tons of pro bloggers and website owners do today. And you can see the 24 and the 12-month price decrease as well. So proceed with your package extras, come down, pop in your payment information, go ahead and check this box and click Submit, and you will have signed up to Bluehost Web Hosting, the #1 web host for making WordPress website with a better discount than almost anyone who signs up. If you have any questions, make sure to find me in the comments below, ask whatever you'd like down there, and also make sure to check out our other Bluehost WordPress tutorials in the description. I'll link you to all those. Alright guys, I'm Ryan. Thanks for watching.
You may listen to this network with assurance that all sources of